just never ever change up. Never switch the game up, never switch the play up. Stuck in that first quarter, never known order. Unless it was a court order. Now you point the finger at your father, cause he never bothered.
Okay, so I have an idea for the top of my closet. The idea is I really want to create these little characters to hang along the top of the edge of my closet. Guys, there's been a change of plans, okay? Because now I have some cardboard. I was originally making my characters out of paper, and if y'all saw in the inspo, the cardboard hangs way better, definitely, than the paper does, so.
When I consume, every day we have no mercy. Every day, no ways, mercies new. Why are they in you? The Lord is my portion too. So I put my hope in you. The Lord is good unto them that seek Him with a soul is true. So we have to see.
Okay, y'all are probably wondering like why we just took a gap from Thursday. Or not a gap, but a jump from Thursday to Monday. It's been busy, okay? Like, it's been really busy. Hopefully, I can finish everything in part 2 that I wanted to do in this video. I'm about to make something to eat right now, and I'm gonna take y'all with me, and then we're gonna get ready to wrap it up.
Daily salvation, ooh, be waiting. No, it's good for a man to hear of the yoke in his youth. Ooh, what you gonna do? Alone, you keep silence too. Suffer time and change him true. Affliction is causing you. Rebel when not pardon. Through anger and slaughter. The Lord is afflicting you. Yes, in your one pity too. When I consume.
I don't know about y'all. Hold on, let me talk to y'all while I watch the dishes. I don't know if it's just me who was not satisfied with the Stranger Things ending. Well, actually, I know it wasn't just me. Like, I know that. Okay, think about it. Season 4 to me was like, okay, like, it's crazy. Like, season 4's build-up to me was so insane. Even the way when they were, like, we know Vecna didn't die, you know, in the 4th season. But when Nancy was getting up, like, when they had that plan to shoot him and light him on fire, that was crazier than the final battle. And then none of the main cast died. Like, I get that. I get that you don't want them to. But at the same time, it would have made us feel like we're actually watching something that isn't necessarily going to be what we want all the time, but that's what makes it good. You get what I'm saying? Not to say that the ending not measuring up to like the past seasons is good. That's not good. There were emotional parts of the last season, right? But I feel like after volume 2 came out, I was just like, yeah, those are my thoughts.